So welcome back. Sir, what we will do, can somebody tell me something? We are going to discuss how to represent a bullet points. So can somebody tell me something meaningful? At least 3 bullet points. Please go ahead. Let us say profitability. So give me one more sentence, sub-sentence on profitability, sir, please.
Profitability, product mix.
No, sir. We will say greater than
Okay.
last year. Okay. Profitability. Less than industry standards. Now let us say cost. You know how to indent it because you will have to, for indenting, you will have to use this tab. When I click this, it doesn't go to the next one, it is within this. More than competitors. The next point is less than or more than competitors, comparable with the sister unit. Then point 3 is, let's say, working capital. When I click, it goes to the next bullet. So I want an indenting bullet. Working capital, manageable.
Sir, there is some disturbance.
Yeah, somebody's mic is on. The mic on, sir. Somebody's mic is on. Manageable. Still possible to get funds. This is what you normally write in a bullet chart. Am I right, sir? Now, this is how you present the bullet points. Now, what we will do, we will present it in a different format. So, we go to home. In the home, there is a paragraph. And this is the place. Convert to smart art graphic. Click this. How do you like this?
Very good.
now you have got so many ways to present this particular thing. Let us take this particular aspect. This is how it comes.
Oh, very good.
How is it?
Excellent. Now I understand how the good
Sir, what is the magic?
Pardon me, sir, Gopal Krishna.
Now I understand how these people are spending quite a lot of time in making all these shapes and all.
No, you just see,
by
sir.
a click of button.
Now what you see, we had a mundane presentation. If you really look at it, profitability, everybody presents like this. Now what we have done, we selected all these things, Control A, and then we went to Smart Art. Then we decide how do you want to present. Now let me go and take this particular sheet. Now you see greater than profitability, greater than last year, less than industry standard, more than. The moment you put it this way, it gives the persons who are going to look at it absolutely a beautiful way. He is going to get related to this. You can now define a different kind of colors here. In whatever colors you want, you can make cost as one color, profitability as one color, working capital as one color. Or depending on what we want to present, how do we want to present? If you have 3 bullets, you can have a look at this now. Profitability, greater than last year, less than industry standards, more than competitors, comparable with sister unit. You present a bullet point like this, I think I have a feeling that it will be much better than presenting a bullet point like this. I don't know. What is your viewpoint, all of yours?
Yeah, absolutely right, sir. Instead of doing the same thing, whatever other people are doing, we should be different.
Hey, one is, see, not just, I'm not talking you should be different alone. You should be able to, suppose you have got 4 or 5 points within this. Now you have to decide which kind of bullets I'm going to take. I'm going to take this, or I'm going to take this. See, I'm giving you shapes now. You can work on different shapes. You come to this shape, this gives you like this. And the best portion is, once you are ready, now you need not worry about anything. You can simply go and be typing. Whatever you want to type, you can type. I'll show you. Now we go here, and then we come to, let's say, this particular thing. Now profitability you want to change. So profitability ratio, you type. So it has already come. You want one more here. You say more. So the moment you click more, then it is going to add more. Everything is done by the system within this. Now you can have you just see on top. Have you seen what has happened now? It has given you so many options now for you to work on. If you click this, it changes like this. You click this, it changes like this. You make like this, it changes like this. Now you want to change colors, you change colors like this. Take this or take this, change colors like this, take this. Now every time you change something, he now gives you an option as to what should be your color combination based on whatever you are going to do.
This converts a mundane presentation into a fully graphic and a fantastic way it is getting presented.
So you have the same data or same what do you call English, but you are going to put it in entirely in a different shape and this one. That is what I was trying to tell you people. You just see what are all the options he gives. It is endless. You look at this shape. If you are on an industry, you can use this shape, no? Depending upon which industry you are going to use, you are going to talk about SWOT analysis, you have this kind of a thing. So what I was trying to say is you have got a lot many options as to how you should work. You just imagine this is one option and this is another option. Looks beautiful, no? More than competitors, less than this one. I leave it to this one. You are 1 second. Yeah. See, you have all these things. Whatever you want. You look at this shape. This is also a beautiful shape, isn't it?
Oh, super.
That's what I said very well. Yeah. Now I am only giving you an what do you call a door. The moment you get into that smart art styles, the colors, the combination, whatever you want to do, you will be able to do. Instead of simple bullet points. Okay. A simple bullet point convert to text. Okay. This is your slide.
Oh.
This slide everybody in the world does, isn't it?
Yeah, right, sir.
Whereas this group of smart CMAs will work in a different way. That is what if we are able to do that, nothing like that. Oh. This is what I thought. It can be a SWOT analysis. If you are going to talk about SWOT analysis, normally we do strength, weakness, this, that. Make it like this. Go to your color, change colors. And then take this. So you want this, you take this. Or you want this, you take this. Whatever you need, you decide on the color combination and then it does everything. You want this only. And you want to do this manually, you are going to spend hours and hours and hours. That's what I'm trying to say. Yes, Gopalakrishnan sir, any comment?
Yeah, I already told you, it's very good. Now I know how Mr. Gary Koken's presentations was quite unique.
Yes, sir. Gary Koken's presentation takes care of all these things. So more than content, you get amazed by the way it was presented. isn't it? If it was given as a PDF file, you wouldn't have been so much interested.
Correct.
This
No,
is
no,
how it is.
actually, I was just wondering, especially, how the entire cycle, all these things were able to put into a chart. Now, using this smart chart itself, simply converts the entire thing into a, becomes
This is
and
on
if you start,
you can write bullets and then you can start converting into whatever you want, the way in which you want. So it all
And
depends. It
yeah,
all
I have
depends
one
on
doubt.
how you want to do, isn't it? Or which layout you
I
want
have
to
one
use.
doubt.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Suppose there are some different components like this, what you have put, and we want to link it,
Ah.
and each component will have a different chart.
We can do that, sir. As I told you, no. For each of the component, you can go and click, and then it can open another chart. All those things are possible.
Hyperlink is talking.
Everything is possible. My next topic is going to be hyperlink. Okay. So
No,
that
in the
is what-
same presentation, in the same sheet, slide,
Ah,
connecting 2 or 3 more bullet points. Of course, we can always, but we can convert it into a shape and then
no,
shift
sir.
it to the.
No. If you see, let's get back to the bullet only. 1 second. Convert to text. Okay, sir. Now what I will do, I will make this a smaller one. Okay. Leave it here. And then I open another text box. Another text box I will open. And then I will start writing here. Again, I will get into the bullets. Okay. Bullet. Let us say point 1. Let us say point 2. Let us say point 3. Right, sir. Now you come to this place and Control A. You take, let's say, this particular shape, and you come here and you say Control A, and you take this shape.
Oh, yes, very good.
So you come here, and then you come to a different color combination. You take this color and do this, and you come here. You come to the palette colors. Use the same colors. Now you have to. If you want 4, you can make 4. You want 8, you can make 8.
Oh, very good. Excellent.
So you ask, it is given. Oh. Anything else on this?
Only you require Office 365.
Pardon me, sir.
Only thing is we require Office 365 and not any other software. Because it is not there in 2012 or 13.
Sir, I'm not sure this. I don't know this was.
I'm parallelly trying in 2010.
Okay.
These are not available.
10 में नहीं हो सकता, sir, because these are all. See, 13 say lot many new additions have started coming.
Yeah. Correct.
So I only see. See, the idea is whatever is the version, many people must be having, but then they may not be using it.
Correct.
They may not be using it. So I was only trying to find out how to use all these things. That was the whole idea, sir. See, we should also know how to use, sir. When we have something, we should know how to use it also. You can now move the chart from here, Gopal Krishnan, sir. You can move it here, you can move it here, put it over there, do whatever you want. Right, sir? What we will do at this point, I will now stop my recording so that we can discuss for 2-3 minutes before we proceed.